When it comes to treating erectile dysfunction, two popular medications come to mind: Sildenafil and Tadalafil. Both of these drugs have been FDA approved to help men achieve and maintain erections, but they work in slightly different ways. If you're considering taking medication for your ED, it's important to understand the differences between these two drugs so you can make an informed decision. In this video, I'll dive into everything you need to know about Sildenafil versus Tadalafil, including how they work, their potential side effects, and which one may be right for you. Before I dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for this channel. There are valuable videos on this topic that you won't want to miss. And be sure to stick around until the end for our recommended simple, easy exercises that drastically increase stamina and heal erectile dysfunction from the privacy of your home. Now, let's get started. Erectile dysfunction, ED, is a common condition that affects millions of men around the world. It is characterized by difficulty achieving or maintaining an erection that is firm enough for sexual activity. Fortunately, there are medications available to treat ED, including Sildenafil and Tadalafil. Sildenafil and Tadalafil are both phosphodiesterase type 5, PDE5, inhibitors that work by relaxing the blood vessels in the penis, allowing more blood to flow into it and leading to an erection. However, there are some differences between these medications, such as how long they last and how quickly they work. Erectile dysfunction, ED, medications are prescription drugs used to treat men who have difficulty achieving or maintaining an erection sufficient for sexual intercourse. There are several types of ED medications available, including Sildenafil, Tadalafil, and Vardenafil. These medications work by increasing blood flow to the penis, which helps to improve the quality and duration of erections. They are classified as phosphodiesterase type 5, PDE5, inhibitors, which means they block the enzyme that breaks down cyclic guanosine monophosphate, cGMP, a chemical that relaxes the smooth muscles of the penis and increases blood flow to the area. The benefits of ED medications are numerous. Number 1. They are effective in treating the symptoms of ED in a large percentage of men. Number 2. They are safe when used as directed by a healthcare professional. Number 3. They have few side effects and are generally well tolerated by most men. Erectile dysfunction medications can improve sexual performance, enhance sexual satisfaction, and improve quality of life for men with ED. They can also help to reduce anxiety and depression associated with ED, as well as improve overall relationship satisfaction. It is important to note that ED medications do not cure ED, but rather provide temporary relief of symptoms. They also do not increase sexual desire, and sexual stimulation is still required for them to work. It is essential to consult a healthcare professional before taking ED medications to ensure that they are safe and appropriate for individual use. The most common side effects of medications used to treat erectile dysfunction, ED, include headaches, flushing, indigestion, nasal congestion, and dizziness. These side effects are usually mild to moderate and go away on their own within a few hours. Rarely, more serious side effects such as vision changes, hearing loss, or priapism, prolonged erection, can occur, and in such cases, medical attention should be sought immediately. The benefits of these medications are significant for people with ED. They can help restore sexual function, improve self-esteem, and enhance the quality of life for both the person with ED and their partner. By providing a reliable and effective treatment option for ED, these medications can also help reduce the psychological and emotional impact of the condition, such as anxiety, depression, and relationship problems. Nitrate medications are commonly used for the treatment of chest pain or angina, as they help to relax and widen blood vessels in the body. However, Taking nitrate medications in combination with erectile dysfunction medications can be dangerous as it can cause a sudden and significant drop in blood pressure. This can lead to fainting, dizziness, or even a heart attack. Erectile dysfunction medications such as Sildenafil, Viagra, Tadalafil, Cialis, and Vardenafil, Levitra, also work by relaxing the blood vessels in the body, which allows increased blood flow to the penis, leading to an erection. By inhibiting an enzyme called phosphodiesterase type 5, PDE5, these medications increase the levels of a molecule called cyclic guanosine monophosphate, CGMP, in the body, which helps to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Therefore, people who are taking nitrate medications for chest pain or angina should not take these erectile dysfunction medications, as the combination of these medications can cause a dangerous drop in blood pressure. Some over-the-counter supplements marketed for sexual enhancement may contain the same active ingredients as prescription medications for erectile dysfunction, such as Sildenafil, Tadalafil, or Vardenafil. Taking an over-the-counter supplement containing medications for erectile dysfunction can have similar benefits to taking prescription medications, such as improved erectile function and increased blood flow to the penis. However, without proper labeling and regulation, these supplements can also cause serious side effects or interact with other medications a person may be taking. It's important for anyone with erectile dysfunction to talk to their doctor about safe and effective treatment options, and to avoid using. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video right now. Subscribe to this channel and hit that bell button for more tips on erectile dysfunction. Also, don't forget to check out the simple, easy exercises that drastically increase stamina and heal erectile dysfunction from the privacy of your own home by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.